About lemon. Rich in vitamin C. Supports immune function and helps with collagen production for healthy skin. Improves iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from plant-based foods. Skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants support skin health, while astringent properties can help minimize pores and fight acne. Heart health. Flavonoids like hesperidin may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. About ginger. Nausea relief. Effective for morning sickness, motion sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea. Pain and inflammation. Reduces pain from arthritis, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. Digestive aid. Stimulates digestion, relieves bloating, gas, and constipation. Immune support. Antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds help fight germs. Colds and flu. About honey. Cough and sore throat relief. A spoonful can soothe irritation and acts. As a natural cough suppressant for children over 1. Wound healing. Used topically. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Properties speed up healing and tissue. Regeneration. Heart health can help manage blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This drink has many benefits.